Oh, we gotta start it out just like this. Oh, we gotta start it out like that. Come on now. Ooh, I hear that echo. Y'all boys, I just found out my car shoot flames. So I'm gonna insert a clip for y'all boys right here. Found out about a couple weeks ago, playing with the 360 at night. And I found out I shot a couple flames. No tune, no flame kit, no none of that. Just straight natural flames. Come on, twin. Hey, y'all boys, make sure y'all follow their Instagram too, man. I'm gonna put it on the screen. If I can't put it on the screen, it's gonna be in the description. Y'all know it's 392 Joint with the underscore in the front and the back. So underscore 392 Joint underscore, man. Y'all make sure y'all boys follow up. You know what I'm saying? A lot of behind the scenes. I do a lot of reels. And we almost to 10K. So get your boy to 10K, man. We almost at 10K. We almost there. So get your boy there, man. We've been grinding. So if y'all want to see a lot of behind the scenes on IG, follow up, man. Oh, she feisty. Y'all hear that bit whining? Y'all probably can't hear it, man. Small little baby whine. Cat coming soon, though. Just hold on, y'all boys. Just keep rocking with me. Cat coming soon. Y'all hit them burbles back there, man. Come on. Sound like the 4th of July back there, boy. And we ain't even tuned yet. Y'all boys, just wait till we get this big tuned. I'm telling you. Oh, I hate folks like that, bro. He gonna make her go slow. Bro, when you pulling out like this, man, you gotta hit it, bro. Can't be pulling out going 5 and 10 miles an hour. You gonna mess up the rotation of the flow of the traffic going this way. You feel me? Told you. But I'ma still give y'all boys a down shit right here. Come here. Burbles. Let me get another one. I ain't gonna lie, we ain't even all the way in it. We barely tapping on the gas. Gotta watch out for them flock cameras. Them little motherfuckers everywhere. I done got so many of them flock camera tickets, get what? I don't pay them motherfuckers. Hey, if the police ain't pull you over, you ain't gotta pay that bit. But do what you wanna do. Alright, y'all boys, it's starting to rain now. We might have to get that Insta360 off, y'all boys. I'm not paying no ticket from a camera twin. That's just me. Y'all boys do what y'all want to do. I ain't paying no ticket from no camera. They be breathing, boy. Hey, y'all boys, let me know what y'all like, man. Y'all like when I hit the Backroads, bro? Or y'all like when I hit the highway? Or y'all just like city traffic? Cause I ain't gonna lie, y'all kinda like the nighttime POVs. I'll bring y'all some more nighttime POVs. I know these was requested. You know what I'm saying? I'll bring y'all some nighttime POVs so if I can shoot the flames for y'all so y'all can see. Yo, man, y'all just let me know what else y'all wanna see, man. More night POVs, daytime POVs, highway POVs, more collabs. Man, y'all just let me know, bro. Y'all just let me know. And I'll try my best to bring it to y'all boys. Whatever y'all want, I'm gonna try to bring it to y'all. We trying to do more things. 2026, man, we trying to up the channel, man. We trying to keep going, keep elevating. Y'all boys been rocking with me, man. So we're gonna keep growing the channel, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hype the video too. Hype the video so we can keep pushing us, man. So yeah, with that being said, man, catch y'all boys in the video. Y'all boys know what to do. I'm gone. Peace.